Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Park on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and let the engine sit for 5 minutes to cool slightly but remain warm for faster drainage. Gather 7 liters 0 QT of 5W30 synthetic oil, 1 OEM or equivalent oil filter, a 14 mm socket, 17 mm for some plugs, oil pan, funnel, and gloves. Raise the front using a floor jack. Place jack stands at the pinch welds or factory lift points, and chock the rear wheels to secure the vehicle before you go under it. Position the oil drain pan under the drain plug, loosen the 14 mm drain bolt carefully, and remove it to let oil flow. Drain until the stream slows to a drip to remove most contaminants. While draining, use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Check the gasket is not stuck to the housing, install the new filter lubricated with fresh oil on the gasket, and tighten to hand tight plus 3/4 of a turn or roughly 18 ft-lb. Replace the drain plug with a new washer and torque to 21 ft-lb. Lower the vehicle enough to access the oil filler cap, then pour about 7 liters 0 QT of 5W30 synthetic oil through the filler neck using a funnel. Add most of the fluid and wait a minute. Start the engine for 30 seconds, watch for leaks around the filter and drain plug, then turn off and wait 5 minutes for oil to settle. Check the dipstick and add small amounts to reach the full mark. Properly seal used oil and the old filter, and take them to a recycling center. Never pour oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.